Hey Garrett,
Yeah.
you want to go get us some coffee on Piedmont Avenue?
Oh, yes, but only if you promise not to film the video without me.
I promise.
Watch yourself. I'll be back.
Okay.
She's gonna film the video without me. I just know it.
Conveniently situated among several parks and the lively restaurants, shops, and cafes of Montclair and Piedmont Avenue. This charming 3-bed, 2.5-bath home offers a peaceful retreat of elegance and modern comfort surrounded by nature's beauty. Located in an enclave right on the border of Oakland and Piedmont. Welcome to 5605 Moraga Avenue.
You know, I don't even really know where to begin, because it seems like every time I get ahead, I end up going 2 steps back. So tonight, I'm just gonna let this one ride. You know what I mean?
She definitely filmed the video without me.